When I walked in that morning, every single one of them commented on my skin and how they were wondering who my esthetician was in Beverly Hills. I don't even have an esthetician in Beverly Hills. I just have the Elite Pro.
Stay tuned as former Miss World Canada, award-winning actress, and Emmy-nominated TV host Tanya Memme
has been a home design expert on the TV show Sell This House.
Miss World Canada.
Yeah.
We have royalty here today.
Hi, I'm Tanya Memme, and if you're like most people, you've probably tried every acne treatment out there, every cleanser, cream, lotion, and potion available. When you see the Auric Air Instinct in action, you really appreciate how smart it is. And you're about to hear how you can experience it in your home risk-free for 30 days. Who doesn't love puppies? But whether you're a dog or a cat person, every pet lover should have an Auric Pro Shield Plus in the house, making having a great pet like this guy enjoyable for everyone in the family. Right, little sweetie? If you want to take control of your financial life, you're watching the right program. The economy has rebounded and people just like you are having amazing success in real estate. So we thought that we'd have our very own little turning competition today.
I want to do it.
No,
I want to do it.
I'm doing it. No. You're not taking this away from me this time. My favorite part of the Hoover Air Cordless Lift is the Quick Lift Detachable Canister. You can take this canister off the base and take it just about anywhere. Today I'm gonna show you how to color Easter eggs with your kids, and they're gonna love it because we're gonna color them with Kraft Cool Whip. And it tastes yummy! And we're gonna put it in the, yeah, you wanna try that?
Oh, yeah.
You won't be saying yuck once you try it. Uh-oh, I'm doomed now. Put on your safety goggles, Kirsten.
Safety first.
Oh, yep. Do I get to hit it wherever I want?
Give it your best shot.
Here we go. Oh, that was loud. I hit it hard and it didn't break. You work on a lot of celebrities, right?
I do.
Okay, come on. Can you name a few? Tell us who.
I'd love to, but I can't.
Well, can you at least tell us what you do for your spa clients to keep their skin smooth and acne-free? You work in Hollywood, all of you,
Yes.
and you work on big shows.
Yes.
With big celebrities.
Yes.
All right, so you've seen like just about everything gadget, every beauty product, everything out there.
Everything.
right?
Yeah.
So-
I've tried it all.
You have,
Yeah.
and seen it all. So then what do you think of the Elite Pro? You hear that pop? That tells you that you're getting the vacuum stimulation, which gets the blood flowing. I've been in front of the camera for over 20 years, but I've been a mom for almost 5 years now, so I know how it feels to be exhausted. But the good news is that with the Elite Pro, I don't have to look exhausted. I will go out and I'll get a couple of compliments a day on my skin. And it always happens when I'm not wearing makeup. This is honestly the best thing I have ever done for my skin. I'm Tanya Memme. Ta-da!